of Hawaii. We were playing in the sun. We were having so much fun on a white sandy beach of Hawaii. The sound of the ocean soothes my restless soul. The sound of the ocean rocks me all night long. Those hot, long summer days, lying there in the sun on a white sandy beach of Hawaii. The sound of the ocean soothes my restless soul. The sound of the ocean rocks me all night long.
Right now we're right in between two very different climate zones. Down here around Lahaina on the right is technically a desert. Receives only about 4 to 10 inches of rain per year. On the left side is a rainforest that gets about 400 inches of rain per year. So we're right on the edge of the two climate zones. Although I have to say next week this desert will probably be green, because in the next 48 hours we're probably going to get a whole year's worth of rain in about 2 days. So they're probably going to get about 14 inches of rain per year right here in Lahaina, as Hurricane Lane is forecast to come right up through here, about 50 miles offshore right here, which should bring, it could even be closer than that, but it could bring lots of wind and rain, especially to this part of the island. And also Wailea too, Kihei. We're going to go and explore some of these valleys in the West Maui Mountains, if the clouds will agree with us here. This valley, Laniapoko, looks like the clouds might be a little low, but we're going to go to the next one, see if we can get into Olowalu Valley here in a second. This is an extinct volcano that makes up the west side of the island. Haleakala on the east side is a younger volcano and is not extinct yet. In fact, that volcano last erupted only 300 years ago, and you can see the point, the tip of the island down there. That's where the lava flows entered the ocean at La Perouse Bay 300 years ago. So that volcano could actually erupt again. This one's done over here. In fact, all the islands behind us are also extinct volcanoes. They get older as you go to the northwest and younger as you go southeast. Going into Olowalu Valley, which is full of kukui nut trees. All the light green trees on the valley floor down here. That's the state tree of Hawaii. And this is also what the Hawaiians used to light their villages at night in ancient Hawaii. They would string kukui nuts together, make torches and candles out of them. They also make necklaces out of them. You see these in all the gift shops, the shiny nut necklaces. valleys in ancient Hawaii would have been kapu, or forbidden, because this is where they buried the chiefs. The chief died, they'd put his bones, they'd clean his bones and put him into a hardwood canoe, and volunteers would carry him up into the mountains back here in the valleys. And they're looking for very hard to reach caves, a lot of times on steep cliff faces. They would rappel down and lower the canoe down on long ropes, stuff the canoe into the cave and pile up rocks around it. And then these guys would cut their own ropes and fall to their deaths, so nobody would know where the chief's bones were buried. The chief's bones had a lot of mana, or power. They didn't want anybody to steal that power, so they went to great lengths to hide the bones.
Well, the day when they said that the warriors would live forever, no, they have gone, and they're only living in the legends now. You can hear the spirits crying in the wind, lost without a trace at all, left their writings on the wall, famous battles of long ago. Where did all the people go? I wish I knew what happened there. Who and who were famous men? Tell me what the chances are to see them live among the stars. Come on, Kani, won't you blow?
Alright, we're going to wrap up my tour here as we enter the airspace for Kahului. Hope you guys enjoyed the flight over to Molokai, the calm before the storm. If you enjoyed the tour today, I recorded it for you. The helicopter has 4 HD cameras on board. If you'd like to see the video from the flight, just go up to the video desk in the lobby. They'll pull it up on the screen for you. While at the video desk, you have an opportunity to write a quick review of the flight. This is how they evaluate my performance as a pilot and a tour guide. There's some envelope cards there on the video desk. You can drop those in the box. Again, my name's Rick. On behalf of the whole Blue crew, aloha and mahalo. We're going to be on the ground here in about 4 or 5 minutes. Mahalo, Rick. Thank you, Rick. All right, nice to meet you guys. Nice to meet everybody. And congratulations to Ashley and Sam.
Trying to be someone on the other side. It's the grass ain't greener no matter where you live. It's too much taking, not enough give. Oh, take it easy, take your time. Please don't worry, it'll be alright. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. It'll be alright, it'll be alright. Hey, release your mind, it's time to fly. You don't need a reason to feel alright. These dreams are true in so many ways. All you need to do is take a step of faith, yeah. Take it easy, take your time.